Hello lovelies! In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and assembling a swivel chair for kids. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for coming, and please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy my content. Thank you all so much for tuning in once again. I'm just going to start by taking out the part of the chairs from the carton, and after that I'll go through the assembly instructions. Once I'm done with it, then I'll start assembling the chair. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. This chair is very affordable and very easy to assemble. Even though I've not even gone through the instructions, but from the look of it, I see that the chair is not that difficult. Now I'm just going now to go through the instructions to see how the chair is being assembled. Then I'll go ahead and assemble the chair. Please don't go anywhere, just stay tuned and enjoy the video. I'll be right back. I'm just going to start assembling the chair now. I have to start from the bottom, and at the bottom you can see it's having 5 tires, and these tires, and when I was putting it, it was somehow difficult. It was so difficult, so I had to go through the instruction again to know exactly how it is being fitted. So I discovered that you need to press hard for it to really fit in the hole. So after I went through the instruction, I discovered how to put the tires, and everything was now easy for me. Once I'm done with the tires, I'll just continue with the assembly process. Please just stay tuned and enjoy yourself. I think the video is self-explanatory, and wherever I see it necessary to explain, I'll explain. Okay, thank you so much once again, and just enjoy the music and follow me as I assemble the chair.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어봐.
Here I decided to carry it up because I was trying to screw it on the floor and it was kind of disturbing, so I had to take it off of my legs so that it will be easy for me to easily screw it. Yeah.
I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸. I'm going I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy. 내 맘을 받아준 오늘 완벽해진 하루. 갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야. 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를
I'm done assembling the first chair. I'll just continue with the same process for the second one and the third one. And up there, I'll just insert a picture of my kids sitting on the chairs and drawing. The chairs are very nice. I so much love them and they are comfortable. You can turn around, you can increase the chairs in height, and also you can reduce it if you want it to be short or to be low. You can reduce it, you can increase it. It's very good and very affordable. Thank you all so much for watching, and please don't forget to leave me a comment. I'll just leave you here to enjoy the music and continue watching the video, and see you again in my next
I
video.
dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees. No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed? There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go. Shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed? something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betraying my heart, my love, my life, the price? It's hard to fight